In the previous video, we created a chart inside our application using the Chart.js library. Now, let's take it a step further and update the chart every time something changes in the table, for example, because a filter is applied. This example, I have a data source showing daily social media metrics for a campaign. The data is displayed in a table element, showing the date, number of impressions, click, and conversions. I've written a JavaScript function named getData that gets the labels in the first column of my table, the impressions from the second column, and the clicks from the third column. It returns everything in a format that is recognized by Chart.js. It's an object where I assign labels to labels property and where I have a datasets property that is an array. Each item in the array has label, data, and a border color because we're working with a line chart, so I need a color for each line. And because this format matches exactly with what Chart.js expects, I can simply set that data equals my getData function when the chart is drawn. Now, the major difference with the previous demo is that I'm using the mutation observer interface from JavaScript. And what this interface does is I observe something, a certain HTML element, in my case, the body element inside my table, and all the children inside that element. So every time something updates in those child elements, what I will do is executing the getData function again and assign it as a data property of my chart, and I draw the chart again by calling the update method. This is the result. I have my table showing all my data points. If I update my table, for example, I want to filter it on a date, as you can see, my table becomes empty, my chart becomes empty. I say, okay, pick everything that is before today, I will have less data points. If I say, pick everything before an exact date, then I can select a date over here, and I can reduce the number of data points, or I can return all the data points. The point here is that every time something changes in my table, my chart is updated immediately.